Sherry Scott with MIOSHA's Consultation, Education, and Training Division, and it is absolutely a privilege to have so many organizations partner with us in the Alliance program. What are the benefits of being an Alliance partner? It is like having an extra set of hands. I remember something that my grandmother said many, many years ago. Well, she always said it to us. Many hands make the work a lot lighter. And having these organizations to come alongside us to help us to move the vision of keeping people safe at work and protecting their wages and fringe benefits is really exceptional. It extends our reach to so many other groups that we normally would not have a huge impact in. And that could be for many reasons. A lot of it has to do with fear and misconceptions. A lot of people view MIOSHA as an enforcement-only organization, but these organizations help us to basically dispel that myth and let people know that we are an organization that not only regulates, but we educate, and we don't do it out of order. We educate before we regulate, and these organizations help us to get that information out to so many of their members. And of course, we know word spreads fast. Those people as part of those organizations who partner with us and work with us, they also spread that information within their spheres of influence as well. So it really helps us to really have a greater impact towards our mission and goal.
Hello, I am William Likes. I am the MIOSHA Alliance Coordinator. MIOSHA Alliance Program is a cooperative program here at MIOSHA. The program provides organizations, associations, construction and general industry, university and college the opportunity to participate in a volunteer cooperative program with MIOSHA in regards to working toward the goal of safety and health in the workplace. Here in Lansing this past July, we held our second annual Alliance Partners meeting, which was very, very well attended by the Alliance Partners, MIOSHA staff, and the MIOSHA liaisons. The purpose of the Alliance meeting was to provide an opportunity for our Alliance partners to share their experiences and allow us to hear what are the benefits of having an alliance with these many associations, universities, colleges, and trade groups here in Michigan. In addition, it gave the alliance partners and us here at MIOSHA an opportunity to hear about products and tools that are being developed by our alliance partners that are being used in today's workplace. Some of the tools that were developed were 5-minute safety and health talks, fact sheets, videos that talked about safety and health in the workplace. Our alliance partner through this meeting gave us an opportunity here at MIOSHA to hear about what is actually going on in the workplace and how us here at MIOSHA can be a part of working with our alliance partners to better the conditions in the workplace for the employees and employers here in the state of Michigan. We look forward to next year's meeting, which also is going to be in July. Thank you.
Where do we see the future of the Alliance program going? We are already in the process of obtaining some great products from our alliance partners, the things that we develop jointly. But where I see the future of this program going, or where I would like to see the future of this program go, is that it will be self-run by our partners, where they will take more of a lead role, and we will just be involved from the standpoint of facilitating all of their great efforts. They know their industry, they know their membership, and they also understand the hazards and things that affect their membership. We will just continue to communicate that effectively to them, clearly communicate the expectation, and they will take their time, their resources, and their expertise, and they will get that message out. So we thank you so much for partnering with us and look forward to the great things that we will do together.
The operating engineers heard about the other alliances that were formed out there with MIOSHA, and we came together and talked about the opportunities of forming an alliance with the operating engineers 324. When we came together in 2012, we sat down and looked at, what in the industry out there would be very highly beneficial on forming this partnership. And with doing that, the proposed crane federal standards were coming out at the time, and it gave us a good opportunity to make sure that here in Michigan, that we are all working together to make sure that everything is happening for the right reasons for the safety around those areas. In 2012, we kicked off our alliance down at Marathon, and we had the general contractors there and ourselves, and it was a really good piece of kicking it off on an owner's facility.
CAM has been an alliance partner since 2005, and we continue to renew our agreement because we believe that the partnership provides a number of benefits to our members and to the construction industry as a whole. We like to have a good line of communication with folks within the MIOSHA department. We like to be able to provide our members with information about upcoming MIOSHA events, and we like to publish in our magazine things related to MIOSHA standards, and through our alliance partnership we get support and edits and rewrites on those articles that help us keep our members up to date and informed on what's changing in the industry of construction safety and health.
The alliance between the operating engineers and MIOSHA is a partnership in the highest level. As an instructor, I'm able to take and benefit from all of the resources that MIOSHA has and that our training facility would have, and take it out on the road and go through several different safety presentations and updates every year, and update the industry directly, as well as our members, with the latest information that's out there.
The benefits that we here at Michigan Labor have received as being a part of the MIOSHA Alliance is free access, accessibility to the CET department, such as Jason, our Alliance liaison, his ability to work with us in developing our training materials and things of that nature. We've also been able to be a part of and use our facility to help create safety videos that are in turn used to train our members of our union.
If there was an association or a community college out there who was considering an alliance partnership, I would explain to them that the investment on their behalf is minimal for the benefits that you receive. One of the things that I use our alliance for is to be the go-between for our members. If they need to get a question answered, if they need help working through maybe a citation that they received, having the contacts through our alliance partnership gives me the chance to reach out on their behalf, get their question answered, and really be able to show them that there are parts of MIOSHA that are there to help, and there's more to MIOSHA than just enforcement. And the alliance really helps us communicate that with our members.
To those who are thinking about joining an alliance with MIOSHA, there's pretty much nothing better than having the professional eyes that look over our industry as helping us build our industry. We create that relationship which allows us to translate information more clearly and more industry adapt from standards from the officers to our members, which allows them to work safer with more confidence.